This video will demonstrate how you set your light settings for your SoundEar3 device. Connect the device to your PC and open the SoundEar software. Click on Define Settings. We will start by making our settings for the device during the day. By default, the yellow part of the ear symbol will be lit when the noise reaches 75 dB LAEQ for more than 0.5 seconds, and the red alarm signal will be activated when the noise reaches 80 dB for more than 0.5 seconds. We will start with the yellow indicator. Here, we will set it to activate the yellow indicator when the noise exceeds 60 dB and the red alarm signal when the noise exceeds 75 dB for more than 5 seconds. First, place the cursor over the yellow marker and drag it to 60 dB. Afterwards, drag the red marker to 75 dB. Now we will set the reaction time. Use the arrows to change the reaction time to 5 seconds. The red alarm indicator will now be lit when the noise exceeds 75 dB for more than 5 seconds. You can choose which value you want the ear signal to show in the drop-down menu. Here, we will set it to show LAEQ 1 second. We will set the red alarm signal to flashing for 2 seconds. Click Configure to activate your settings. Now, we will make a second visual configuration which will deactivate the visual alarm during a certain time frame. Click on the tab Light Night. Mark the checkbox to activate the night light setting. Then set the time frame in which you want the night setting to be active. Here, we would like the night setting to be active from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. By default, the visual alarm will be activated when the noise exceeds 60 dB for more than 0.5 seconds. Here, we will set the visual alarm to react when the noise exceeds 70 dB for more than 5 seconds. Start by dragging the red marker up to 70 dB. Then afterwards, repeat for both the yellow and the green marker. Change the reaction time to 5 seconds by using the arrows. Here, we would like for the signal to be lit for 2 seconds when the noise exceeds the set noise threshold. Click Configure to activate your night settings. Your settings can also be changed on the touch display for the device. To lock your setting, go to the tab Display and check the box Locked Display, which will deactivate the touch function on the device. Here, you can also select what you want shown in the mini display by using the drop-down menu. Choose between LAEQ 1 second, alarm level, clock, or off if you want the mini display to be turned off. Click Configure to save your mini display settings. The light settings for your device has now been configured. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please write us at SoundEar@soundear.com or go to our website soundear.com for more information.